working. She's
She's onto it now. Trudy, sit. Trudy, sit down. Sit down so Daddy can make the bed.
Trudy, where are you, Trudy? Trudy, you've given up.
She's gonna bite your hand off.
Just do that.
This is animal abuse.
This is animal abuse. Get out of there, Trudy. She's so funny. Okay. Alright, Trudy. Okay. Well, you really wrapped yourself up there.
There she is. Hi, Trudy.
That's a good girl.
Did you feel defeated there, Trudy?
Did you get the video?
Yeah.
Let's see it.